Okay, so we're doing a short conduit pull today. We're going from this nib right here. There's a copper and a pull string in place. Haven't decided which one I'm using yet because obviously the copper's not in service. House is empty, and we're going over to the tub just over there. So I've already identified which line is mine. It's the furthermost conduit on the left. So yeah, we're gonna uncoil the drop and get it going. I'm gonna run a 50-meter double because it's semi-detached. They have separate nibs, but I'm just gonna run a double into one nib, and then if ever needed, they can just pass it over to the next box. So should I ever get another order for that house, then it'll be complete already, and I can get paid again. There we go. Zip tie. Alrighty. And for this, I'm going to start here. So we're in that conduit right here with this copper line. You obviously can't see that, but when I pull this, that door over there should close. And it does. So that's how I know it's that one. So I'm gonna uncoil the whole thing here, just so I have selective coil. And yeah, so I'm gonna go get my tracer and what I need. So I did some organizing my truck, got everything labeled now. Boom, so I need this one here. Oh no, looks like something took a tumble here. I was thinking this might happen. What I might do is put a little kind of thing there. Conduit's a little wet. Some of the edits might be weird because I was on the phone with my friend.
What's a line in there that you hooked onto? Or
Yeah, this old copper line.
Oh, you pulled it out there?
Yeah. There is a pull string there, but this is just old now. It's out of use, so no need for it to be in there. Oh, it's gonna be tight. Oh, I almost ran out of line. It's really tight. That's about all I can take. Alrighty, see you over there. Alrighty. It's a lot of slack. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with this black mold here. A little sketched out by it. And I forgot my drill and tags. I'll be right there. Okay. Now I just need to tag this 35346 port. This is weird. I guess port 2. Not sure why they went in a line like that. Never seen that before. This is the messiest thing ever. People take no pride in their work. What a mess. I'm gonna mount an app there. Not that I have to, but. Alrighty, pretty much done at this end. So I'm just gonna take some pictures, close off the lid, and then I'll see you at that end. Clean out the strippers. Oh no. Gonna coil this up, but before I do that I want to get rid of all this copper stuff. It's all pretty useless. Careful not to cut the fiber. Yep, just rip it off like that. Yeah, a little sniffly. And that's her done. Another little conduit pull. This was maxed out 50 meters, and yeah, hope you enjoyed. Yeah, see you next time.